The Unihertz Shark 3 is a formidable device that caters to a specific niche: individuals who demand ruggedness, power, and unique features in a smartphone. The device is the successor of the Unihertz Shark 1 or the Unihertz Shark, and trust me, it's much more better equipped than the Unihertz Shark. The device is designed to withstand harsh conditions while delivering top-tier performance. It was recently announced by Unihertz. As for its release date and price, I don't know yet, but the device is expected to launch very soon, and it's expected to cost over $500 because of its impressive specs. And speaking of specs, well, let's break them down in this video.
Ready for a phone that can survive anything you throw at it? Say hello to the Unihertz Shark 3. This rugged powerhouse is built for adventurers and tech enthusiasts alike. Under the hood, it packs a MediaTek Dimensity 8300 Ultra processor with 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. Translation: blazing speed and massive capacity. Its 6.73-inch AMOLED display delivers stunning QHD+ resolution and a silky 120 Hz refresh rate, perfect for your next binge watch or gaming marathon. Worried about battery life? The Shark 3 boasts a colossal 11,600 mAh battery with 120W fast charging. Say goodbye to battery anxiety. And the cameras? We're talking a 50MP main sensor, 64MP night vision, 50MP telephoto, and a 32MP front camera. Capture every moment, day or night, plus it's IP68, IP69K, and MIL STD 810H certified, meaning it's practically indestructible. With unique features like a built-in camping light, the Shark 3 is your ultimate adventure companion.
The device also ships with the Android 14. It supports 5G connectivity, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, NFC, USB Type-C 3.0, a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is a surprise. The phone also has GPS and other essential navigation features, a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, face unlock, and so on, guys. So these are the top features and specs of the Unihertz Shark 3. I'll compare this device with the Shark in a separate video to point out the differences between both 5G rugged beasts. So that's it for the video. What do you guys think? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.